Ya está grabando. Abre la pantalla del juego que ya está grabando.
Okay. Hello. Welcome back to this video. So we're gonna be playing Roblox Project Light again. In my community, you can see I just bought every single game pass. So I'm going to use Qatar Airways with the Airbus A350. For me, I don't know how to skip a part of a video because I'm recording on Apple laptop, like on desktop. So we're gonna be making this video quickly. I don't know. It'll probably be more than 20 minutes long. I don't know how to make it shorter. Come on. Okay, so we're loading. Okay, I'm ready for this. So we're gonna be using Qatar Airways with the Airbus A350. Remember that I just posted community. I just bought every single game pass in the game. So I'm gonna use Airbuses. So I use the A350. I'm gonna select Qatar Airways. I don't know, why is it like this? Can you please, I don't want this video long, but why is it taking so long? So I'm going to be using Qatar Airways, which A350s do use it. Where's Qatar? Oh, here's Qatar. So we're gonna go to Punta Cana Airport. Okay, so I'm gonna select the gate. Sorry for there's long waits in this game. For me, I don't know how to skip a part because it's my second video. So we're gonna start both engines and do pushback. I am Qatar. I know it's taking long to like the plane to appear. So why is it taking really long? Oh, it may appear like in a few seconds. Why is the airplane not appearing? Oh, now, but slowly. I'm using headphones today. I have no microphone, so hopefully I'll buy a microphone so I can make my videos very well. Okay, so pushback is done. Set our speed up to 20. Oh. Oh. Why is the airplane taking so long? I don't know. I think this is happening again. Like when I was recording a video, it was glitching. Hopefully, why is it like happening again? Oh, finally. Plane, why do you take so long to appear? Like, why? Qatar Airways. I think this is an airline based on the Middle East, I believe. Because I think this is from an Arabic. I'm using an Airbus A350, which is the Airbus plane that has the raccoon mask on the plane. So this game has no 747s or A380s. I need to ask the developer of the game to add these planes onto the game. So we're going to be going to Gatwick, which is London International Airport, also known as the Gatwick Airport. Oh no, the glitch is happening again. It's probably because I'm recording a video. Maybe that's why. Yeah, really loud. Oh no, it's happening again. Probably because I'm recording. I'm going to select. Okay, so I'm going to select my favorite one. Okay, so this airplane sounds really loud. Okay, so I'm the ATC. I'm good right here. So, the Airbus A320neo, A321neo, like A320 family neo models have this raccoon mask. This plane only has the raccoon mask out of all the models. This is a Airbus A350-900, I believe. The runway is clear, so we will take off from here. Next video I'm going to fly British Airways with the 777-300 model. Like I'm gonna go to Gatwick Airport and then I'm gonna fly to Kabul, I think what it's called, not here. So United is a 757. Okay, so the runway, we can take off right away because the runway does look clear, so no more 20 knots. I'm trying to line up the plane, but it's lining up pretty slow. So we're taking off. Yeah, it's like really loud in my ears. I think we should not use volume at all because it's really loud. So we're gonna take off at 180 knots. Remember, takeoff speed is between 160 and 180 knots. Last time with the 737, we took off at 160 knots, but this time it's faster. So we're kind of getting near the end of the runway. 180. We kind of took off at 185 knots. Okay, I'll throw it down. Oh, I think we're going up. Oh, yeah, so we kind of go down a little bit. We're putting our landing gear in. There we go. You can see them going in. So let's climb a little bit more. We have no volume because it's really loud. We're now 200 knots. We're trying to get up to the 450. Now let's turn. Why we're flying really slow? Why? Because I'm recording. And why we're flying really slow? Because I think of my nose. And probably the glitch is happening again. That video did not came out. That video got canceled because of the glitch. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. Oh, we're going slow. We're speeding slow. We're going up slow. It's probably because of the internet. So, they should add the entire world in this game, like Microsoft Flight Sim. I never played Microsoft Flight Simulator before, but I've seen the videos. So, the developer of Project Flight should call it Microsoft Flight Sim, like a rename of the game. And it may take 20 minutes to like get to the other side of the world. Well, kind of. Well, it takes like 20 hours. It may take 24 hours in real life, but it may take 20 to 25 minutes in games. We're approaching 300 knots. Oh. Rather smooth the plane, same with like the mouse. I'm not using like the mouse on the laptop. I'm using like a plug with a mouse that can connect on Mac. This isn't my laptop, it's my dad's laptop. I'm like borrowing it. So I'm using an A350. I'm from Venezuela, but my channel language would be English. In my videos, sometimes I may talk to my parents. I don't know how to put letters in English while I'm talking Spanish to my parents, but that's okay. You guys may or may not understand Spanish. So we're cruising right now at 10,000 feet. Remember we landed here on the first video? We're not going to be landing there today. We're going to be landing at Gatwick. The London International Airport is called Gatwick. British Airways, I'm going to fly down the next video. And I'm probably going to be flying United Express, which is like another version of United Airlines. Oh, we should slow down our throttle because I think it should speed around 57%. Looks like we're not going down yet. Like in like 30 seconds we will start to go down. We're gonna climb down. So this is the max. I think we're slowing down a little bit because we're cruising right now at. There's the engines going. This is the landing camera, aka the landing gear camera. I think we're no longer 10,000 feet. Set up to 165 knots. Bring out all flaps. Spoilers up to help us slow down the plane. Starting our descent. We may do a go run, but hopefully that won't happen. Can anyone say what's up because I'm making a video? I don't know if someone will say that. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys aren't subscribing to my channel on my first video. I now have 155 views on first, but you guys are not subscribing to the channel. That makes me so sad. Sorry that you guys cannot comment on my videos, but I have to learn how to make comments in my videos. Guys, let me know in my community which other Roblox games, flight simulator games on Roblox I should play. Just let me know in the community. There's lots of other flight simulator games on Roblox. But you guys should let me know in the in the community. Like in my community, I'm gonna put request Roblox flight simulator games and I'll play them. Just comment on my communities. This airline, I think it's from Arabic countries, I believe. I think it's one of the biggest airlines in the Middle East. Qatar is like one of them. This is not the airport, it's this one over here. No cockpit views, unfortunately. Only 737 has the cockpit views. I think I must say to the developer of the game to like make all airplanes have cockpit views. In the upcoming videos, I think I'll show every game pass in the game and also more planes. So this is not the landing spot, it's actually over here. But we're gonna do a go around, which will make the video a lot longer. The glitch is happening again! Oh. Hopefully it doesn't happen ever again. We have to do a go around. My videos will be like 30 minutes long, like almost a half an hour long. Because I don't know how to like pause them, like skip a part. They should be here how to like so I'm going to be landing. So I think we should start to do this. Our descent is yeah. We're turning the plane. So I was whispering to my mom because for me, I don't know how to pause to like skip a part of the flying. I may fly Southwest. I may fly the Airbus A350 and the A330 and the A320. In future videos I will. This may take more than 5 minutes to like this. Oh, that's a pretty long runway over here. And I'm doing a go around. Oh no, not this glitch again. I think I should click the camera to never happen. Oh, we're going to, we should like climb a little bit. Yeah, I think this is the longest go around I ever made in Project Flight. You guys are definitely not subscribing to my channel, and that makes me sad. Help me get to 100 subscribers, because I had 154 views on my first video. So please, help me get to 100 subscribers. I make it to 20K, because like, oh no, this happening. You guys, the first time it happened, I was recording a video, but it was canceled. It was not posted on YouTube. Oh yeah, the longest descent I ever made. But we're gonna be landing. The runway's taking so long to make it inside. Oh yeah, this will take like more than an hour. So we're turning the plane a little bit. And we're not getting inside the runway. This will take forever. Oh yeah. Why is the camera? So we're about to land. This is the longest descent ever. But hopefully sooner we will finally land. How we're flying super low. Oh yeah, they should go 1,000 feet. Oh yeah. In about, I don't know, 7 minutes we will end the video, kind of, or probably less. Oh yes, because also going like the same direction. Oh. Sorry that I'm making long videos, but that's okay. You guys can like scroll to like skip a part of the video. For me, I may skip a part. Okay, so runway is finally inside after a long after like 10 minutes. Oh, I was turning way slow. Oh, landing gear. Landing gear is coming out. Why is it? So we're turning the plane. Maybe we can butter this time. This last time I did smooth landing, but hopefully we will butter this time. Bro, we're going down slow. But we should not go down slow. Oh, it's because I have this hold. Oh. It's because I have the holding there. But yeah, I think we're too high to land. I think we should go down to 500 feet now. Yeah, I think that would be... That was a long go around. There's American, FedEx, Ryanair, Qatar's here. So 150, 40, 30, 20, 10, 10, 150, 30, 20, 10, 10. Start again. 150, 40, 30. Butter! We butter the plane. We definitely butter the plane. This is not the exit, it will be this one. Around 30 knots, I'm setting up the speed. We finally made it after a long go around. Oh, that was about to happen again.
Yeah.
We're taxiing to the gate. It's over. The gate's over here. No, I think it will be here. When we arrive at the gate, we're ending the video. I think the gate's here. Sorry I wasn't making ATC, but that's okay. Hello passengers, we finally made it to London Gatwick International Airport. Thank you for choosing flying Qatar Airways. Thank you. The gate. I accepted a friend request. My Roblox username is Matias Ansola Juega. I did it like in Spanish version. And my Roblox, that's my username, Matias Ansola Juega. Or you guys can comment or you guys can make my name called it. My name is Matias the King. Like you can see here. Matias the King is there. We'll set our speed to 6 knots for... Oh, we were speeding. We shouldn't. So we're arriving at the gate. So we are arriving. Okay, so we're shutting down the engines, and thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out.